In this video guide, I will walk you through on how to combine different PDF files as one. Maybe you went to meeting on different days and there are some PDF files that are dropped in pieces, all right, in parts. In this video, I will walk you through on how to combine them as one. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. All right, the first step you need to take is to open your web browser. Okay, in this case, I will be working with Microsoft Edge. So it's pinned here, so I'll click on it. As your browser opens, visit google.com. But if you are using Chrome, you don't need to do that because that's the default search engine. I don't want to use Bing in this case. Okay, then search for combine PDF. All right, combine PDF. You see that? All right. So once you make this search, you will see some search results. This displays some programs that can combine PDF. All right. Programs that can combine PDF. If you see anyone that has text sponsored on it, don't click on it. Okay. So you have this one, you have this one, you have this one. But because Adobe Acrobat Reader has great brand, all right, it's known worldwide. Let's work with it. So I will click on this Adobe option. So wait for this page to load for you to have an interface that looks like this. If you cannot find an interface that look like this, maybe it just show you right at the background, only this background color, refresh this page, all right, until you see this. So now let's now go and upload our pieces or parts of PDF that we want to combine. So click on select files. All right, this will open a folder in your computer. So navigate to where you have the PDF by parts. All right, so I'll click on downloads. This is where I have mine, and these are the PDF files I want to combine. All right, so I'll click on one. Once one is selected, take your cursor to this side. All right, so that we will we'll push everything at once. All right, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag up. Okay, so you can see these three PDF files have been selected. All right, then click on open. So it will place all these three PDF files on this page. Okay, so you can see this one PDF3 comes first, followed by PDF2, and followed by PDF1. You know how you want to arrange all these. I want this one to come first, followed by this, and followed by this. And in respect to that, for you to move a PDF from one position to another, take your cursor to the PDF file. All right, just as you can see, my mouse is there. Take your mouse to the PDF file, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag it up. Then release the pressure. I didn't get it right before. Okay, you can see it has taken the position. Then this one has to come second. So I will take my cursor here, press and hold the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag up again for it to take the position of 2. And cool. So if we do it and it doesn't work, try it again. All right. Okay. Until you get to the position where you want to drop it, release the pressure on the left button of your mouse. Okay. So we are good this way. So the next step I have to take is to click on merge. So hold on for the PDF files to be converted as one. And you can see this have been converted as one, and look at the preview here. It's showing me how it will look like at the end. Okay, then the next step you need to take is to download this into your PC, and for you to do that, click on download button, and this file is downloaded into my PC. So let's go and see how it looks. So I'll click on File Explorer, then I'll click on downloads. And on this downloads page, you can see folder, you can see the file here. So if I double click on it, it will open. Now this is the files combined in one. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if this video helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section if you have some questions regarding this, or some tech related stuff, just drop that in the comment section. I may have answers to give to you to solve the problem. Watch this video here to learn how to complete some tasks on Microsoft Outlook. Thank you and see you some other time.